Are you looking for the best blackout curtains on Amazon? We've got these right here. Figured I'd show these things off to you guys today. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hanging up that help for me right there. So what we have here are these linen blend curtains right here. They are super duper soft, which is very nice. And you can see that it has that pinch pleat design up here at the top. So you can, the way you hook it is they give you these little plastic things, and then you just simply hook the ring around it, and then you can slide this over your pole right here so you can easily close and open your curtains. It slides very, very nicely, very easy to use. We got a little tag right here about the care instructions. You can machine wash in cold water. Use a gentle cycle, wash with light colors, mild detergent, do not bleach, and a cool iron if needed. So very easy care instructions right there. Let me go ahead and close these because these are the 100% blackout curtains. And as y'all can see, it is daytime right now. So let's see how dark we can get, and let's see what the light looks like coming through here once we have them closed. So obviously I've got some lights on in the room. Let me go ahead and turn off all of the lights right here and right here, and boom. So in the daylight, you can see, of course, at the top, you're gonna have that little bit of light that's gonna kind of flow through to the ceiling right there because, you know, the curtain rod sticks out a little bit. And then on the sides right here, since it's at pinch pleat, it kind of moves towards closing this little gap right here, but you can barely see any of that light coming through right there. As far as in the middle where the two curtains meet, that is black all the way through and through, which is awesome. And then you got, of course, a little bit of light coming through on the bottom edge right there, and then on the other side over here as well. Just to give an idea of what it might be like kind of closer to night, I'll go ahead and close the blinds too as well, because that's going to knock out even more light if you have those blinds, since those are closer up to the window. And now you can see, like, you still have a little bit up top, a little bit on the bottom, but that is it. I'm moving side to side right now, and we cannot see any of that light coming through there. So that is awesome. It does a really great job of blocking out a lot of the light that you would want. Now, these curtains right here are the olive green color curtains, but if you are looking for a specific color to kind of match everything in your room, definitely go and check out the product listing below, because they have all the different options that you can choose from on there. And those options, there's like 10 different colors you can choose from or something like that. But then also you can get different lengths as well. So if you want something maybe that has a little bit extra length to it to touch the floor, or if you like your curtains to kind of spread outward from the floor, you can get them a little bit longer if you want that as well. So again, excellent curtains right here. You can see the stitching all the way across the middle right here where the pleats are. Looks very, very nice and tight. Everything looks clean and kempt. I don't see like any little weird hairs sticking out or anything like that. And this interior part right here is the blackout part. So it's this material right here that's keeping all of that light out of the room whenever you have these curtains here. So super awesome. I did want to show you guys kind of a close-up of the hanging hooks right there. They give you a few extras in the kit. And so this right here is the little ring that's going to go around your curtain rod. Of course, it's got the little nougat on the top right there that this is going to just simply clip right on into this clip right here. And then this part of the clip just simply attaches to the curtain. You just simply stick it right on up through there, and then you are good to go. You can hang your curtains from that. So very easy to do. They do have a little information sheet right here as well. If you guys need to read any of that, they talk about the benefits of the memory foam curtains. You know, it's got that, since it has the memory training. Did I say memory foam? Memory training. It has a shape retention, so it's going to keep kind of this these pleat style of things, all these little pleats all throughout here. As you move the curtains around, they're not going to flatten out or anything, which is nice. Wrinkle resistant memory shape training technology can help reduce or prevent wrinkles in curtains, resist wear, and maintain their structure. And then ease of maintenance. Once hanging. These curtains require minimal adjustment, simplifying upkeep, maintaining a smooth appearance without the need for frequent ironing, which is awesome. And they kind of give you an example of two different curtains right here. This one right here has the memory shape, so it's going to, like I said, it's going to remember these pleats right here, as opposed to ones without the memory shape. See how they kind of like parts of it are big, parts of it are small, they're kind of scattered about and whatnot. So I really like that they have this this memory technology kind of built into it. And then they have a little diagram right here about how you do the hooks, which is what I just showed you right here, how to simply put them right on into there, add your ring, and then put it around there. So machine washable, don't bleach, tumble dry, iron at a low temperature right there. If y'all are looking for some excellent curtains, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all some of these right here. These things are fantastic. If y'all found this, excuse me, if y'all found this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys. I know that helpful for me right there. And like I said, if you're looking for a particular color, you can definitely go and check out that product listing below and go through all the different options that they have on there so that you guys can get the one that's going to match perfectly for your room. All right, thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show this off to y'all. And Dad out.